Okay, this video is our tutorial video on creating a form in Google. So first thing we need to do is we need to sign in to our Google account. And this again was set up for teachers at Buffalo, Hanover, Montrose schools. So I wanted to just make sure that you're seeing us from this point of view. Once you get into your drive, if you are looking for creating a form, we go under the Create button and select Forms. It starts by opening up just kind of a generic form that we can then title. Okay, so I'm going to put a title, and this is going to be a form for my physics class. Um, and I might call this a quiz. And so then I can give them any kind of information here. I want to talk a little bit about the boxes up here. If we check this box, we can actually let them go back and re-edit their responses. So if you wanted to give them a second chance, I'm not sure if we want to do that right now. The other one is an important one because it'll actually collect the username for each of your students, and that's the one we definitely want to have checked on. So we can go ahead and now start creating some questions, and they always set us up with 2 sample questions right off to the start. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the first question, and the first question might be something like, which of the 3 laws of motion builds a relationship? Okay, and so I gave them a question, and then I have to select the question type. And there's usually a number of different question types that I can go with. I can go with a text, a paragraph, multiple choice, choose from a list. I'm going to make this one a multiple choice question. And so my options are going to be first law, second law, and third law. Okay. And then I like to always make my questions required to make sure that they have to answer it before they submit. Click done, and that's the first question. My second question might be maybe a more of an essay-based question. Give of a third law pair. Okay, and so that longer question is going to have to be one that's probably going to be a paragraph text. And then I can go ahead and make this required, and then I could maybe add another item. Okay, and so again, I can always just keep adding another item. So maybe the next one I'll do is a checkbox. Who wrote, oops, wrote the laws of motion? And then they will have to check Newton, Anderson, Cox. Okay, and so then they can select from that one. We'll make that our other one that'll be required. And so there we go. We now have our 3-question quiz. If we would like, we can always choose different themes. So I'm going to go back here to my themes, and maybe I'll just select a basic theme that'll give it a certain look, and click apply, and there you go. I have now created my form. And we will look at embedding this form onto a page in the next video.